Hi guys, it's me, and today we're checking out a monitor that really pushes the limits of gaming performance and visual fidelity. The MSI MAG 272QP QD-OLED X50 is a 26.5-inch WQHD monitor designed to give gamers an ultra-smooth, incredibly vibrant experience. If you want to grab one, the link is in the description, but first, let's see what makes this monitor stand out. Right off the bat, the QD-OLED technology is impressive. It combines OLED's perfect blacks with quantum dot enhancement for richer, more precise colors. Shadows are deeper, highlights are brighter, and every frame looks crisp and vivid. Unlike traditional panels, this monitor makes every pixel count, producing visuals that feel both realistic and immersive. The refresh rate is where this display truly shines, 500 Hz. That's not just a number. It's an entirely new level of smoothness. Combined with a 0.03 milliseconds response time, this monitor handles fast-paced action effortlessly. Tracking moving targets, playing competitive shooters, or following fast-moving scenes has never felt this fluid. Motion blur is virtually eliminated, giving you a gaming experience that feels instantaneous. Adaptive sync technology ensures gameplay stays tear-free. Even when frame rates fluctuate, the monitor automatically adjusts to prevent stutter and screen tearing. This creates a seamless experience, whether gaming, streaming, or scrolling through content. Resolution is 2560 x 1440, offering a perfect balance between clarity and performance. At 26.5 inches, WQHD is sharp enough to make games and videos look detailed without overburdening your GPU. This means higher frame rates without compromising visual quality. Text, graphics, and game assets all look refined and polished, providing a noticeably better experience than standard 1080p monitors. Design-wise, MSI went for a minimalistic and sleek approach. The slim bezels on all four sides make this monitor look modern and unobtrusive on any desk. The stand allows tilt adjustment, and the panel is fully VESA-mountable for maximum flexibility. Build quality feels solid and premium, with careful attention to ergonomics. Connectivity options include HDMI, VGA, and the standard ports you need to connect multiple devices. The on-screen display is easy to navigate and gives access to brightness, HDR modes, color settings, refresh rates, and pixel maintenance features. MSI also included technologies to reduce OLED burn-in, which means long-term usage without worrying about image retention. HDR performance is another area where this monitor excels. The combination of QD-OLED and HDR support makes highlights pop and shadows look more natural. Explosions, lighting effects, and cinematic content all feel more immersive, elevating both games and media playback. In everyday use, this monitor is excellent beyond gaming. Scrolling, multitasking, watching videos, and even color-critical work feel smoother and more vibrant. But in gaming, it really sets itself apart. Fast motion is incredibly sharp, input feels instantaneous, and visuals remain consistently impressive. This monitor hits a rare combination of speed, accuracy, and color brilliance. Whether you're a competitive gamer, streamer, or content creator, it delivers performance and immersion that few other displays can match. The MSI MAG 272QP QD-OLED X50 is clearly designed for anyone who wants the ultimate gaming and viewing experience. If you're looking to upgrade to a monitor that redefines smoothness, color, and clarity, this one is worth considering. Check the link in the description to learn more or grab yours.